Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Noman Educational Center. I am back with another topic. This topic is biology, mechanical, digestive, physical preparation of food and digest and segmentations mix and food in instrument that and digestive chemical digestion and carbohydrate, fat and protein at our enzyme and aspiration and transfer and declines to and proportion food into integrative channel and detective removal and elimination and of waste and other body and mouth, tongue and saliva and glands and overlay and activity and more than is liver and stomach at that one is the gallbladder and the exchequer and that one is rectum and that one and small intesture and large install and that is one and in exposes that in brings in one out of match and that in one and and is next and heart and small insect and stomach and one is the most important in body structure that one to in one and mechanical design is an digestive physical preparation of food and diet and segmentation and mixing of food in instigation with dictation chemical digestion and carbohydrate protection and organize an operation transfer to and ignite portion food into an high digestive canal and defecation removal and elimination of waste and in body must subscribe my YouTube channel Noman Educational Center. Now I am this topic is mechanism and sand and physical preparation and food to and diagnose and system mixing of food in instrument that we designed and digestive and chemical discretions and carbohydrate, fat and protein are that enzyme and as proto transfer of designed portion of food into an digestive canal and education in defections, removal and minimum of waste in body and other one to and when the body's texture, mouth, tongue and saliva that and one to and capture that in one to in other the add one to capture that physical preparation food diet and segmentations and mutual food and integration with digest simple digestion and hydrophage and protein all other one to absorption transfer that diagnose in other one to food into and the digestive canal and decreases removal element to waste and body another one to factor that one in mouth overlay that and one to tongue and silvery that and one and roll blended that and the bronze is the rectrum at 1 and figure 8.7 that one this is the mud and 1 in figure and figure 8.16 the human alimentary canal function of oral cavity and discussions begin in over and oral cavity and well before all these someone than other went to see small taste and even imagination and prayer the salivity gland and which and located under the near and lower jaw and being projecting silver that and flow and ordained with and pink reflects that tricked and when the other about eating in response the sensory and solution at that through all nervity and control salivity and under the other lower form that and want to and capability and overlay in space behind upper lower and jaw has and many important functions another one to cap and each other that's diagnosed being an overlay that and stomach wit in small taste and even imagine and pears and silvery gland with locate the low and Java in Po and other this and often and other one reflect the integrate that and one often eating response to and sensitivity and simulation at other one and to being project and sliver that coordinate with the brain reflex and different with and one often eating in response that sensuality and simulations impulse and through the renewal and control the salivary gland and to prepare for middle and oral cavity is the space and behind to another the upper lower and jaw has many important function and food and selection that an event in oral cavity is that food and selected reject to another taste and hard object and variation also in the selections another one to capability and one to and the food selection when the protein intent and overly cavity is the taste of food is selected one object due to the taste and hard object and various also help in selection. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel Numan Educational Center. Allah Hafiz.